TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. I constructed a workshop area over here. This is Arthur's Sawmill and Trestle Construction Center that I got going on over here. I got a half of a trestle in there right now. Okay, this is the jig for the trestle, and the jig is on top of the actual elevation plan, which is to scale. When I finish with this piece and all of that, I'll show you this elevation plan. I made a video on that, okay? Got Qui-Gon and Darth Maul up there. We also got trestle inside over here. This is a jig over here to make trestles, okay? Also, we got another trestle over here being constructed, okay? So this is a temporary building area. This is a jig right here. And then we have a jig on top of it, on top of the table saw. Okay, I got all my tools at arm's reach, okay, to handle this situation right here. Everything is going according to plans. I have some pieces already cut at 1/4 inch. These pieces is cut at 1/4 inch. They're already 1.5 inches, so the dimensions of the 2x4 stays 1.5 inches by 1/4 inch. Okay. So just checking and making sure everything is square. Okay. Making sure that everything's square. And we're gonna start putting these trestles together. Now I'm gonna be doing a different concept for these I-beams. Okay, let me show you these I-beams that I got going down over here. Okay, this trestle right here could go right back in there. Okay, you see those tenons? Just slip that in there and over that lap joint over there. Okay, you got one. This piece here goes over there, so I gotta sit up there. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a different concept with these I-beams. For that I-beam that comes from that trestle there to a trestle there. I got an I-beam over there set up, a trestle over there set up, and connecting all the way down there. What I'm gonna do is, I got this is a 1/2 inch board here. This is a 1/4 inch. I should have put this together like that. You know, this is just for a table or whatever. But anyhow, I'm going to make the video, instead of explaining to you guys, I'm going to cut it out of one piece. Okay, this whole one piece, I'm going to cut the trestle out. Okay, I'm not going to put it together, I-beams. It's going to look like the I-beam and all that. I'm running through the saw. I might even router and all that other kind of stuff. But anyhow, I'm going to make this, it's not going to be this piece. I got more of them. But it's going to be a custom piece, okay, for that I-beam over there, okay? It's going to be a custom piece. Okay, so that's the layout update of what's going on. Everything is going to plans. I had to build this operation over here to get these trestles nice and square and uniform. And I got to be doing the back area, that area there. I got to be repairing this whole area over here. Okay, this is in there. This is stationary. Okay, so you know we're building off from there. Okay, building off from there. Okay, so everything's all lined up. I could actually take this trestle out. I put it in last night. It only take around an hour to dry. But if I pull this guy out right now, these guys are gonna fall down. Let's see. Okay, got a trestle out of there. And to construct another trestle, it's a 5-inch piece right here. All right, 4-inch piece. So I have to be mindful with one hand here. Everything always working like that. This goes in here. All right. Okay, Gotta put a 4-inch piece, another 4-inch piece in there. I got all my pieces messed up. I got a cat, a jaguar around here, and just interfering with the operations in every way. Okay, this piece goes in here like that. Okay, you just glue these on the side, glue this on this side, put this in there, this clamp right here, see this clamp? And tighten it up. And this is closed, this is up here, and then when you pull it out, you got this. When you got that, we're gonna be making these pieces right here, okay? Let me set up a jig over here. I'm almost finished making my I-beam, so I could just actually take this whole situation down. I'm almost finished. Okay, actually, I forgot about back there. I gotta build I-beams from back there. I might as well leave this thing here set up and cut out all of these pieces, take measurements back there, so I could get all these pieces cut up for back there. So this is gonna be over here for a little while. Okay, Qui-Gon fell down. Qui-Gon fell down. So this is Arthur's sawmill. Saw blade is up under there. They cut all these strips here. I cut all these strips out, 1/4 inch. This is the stock that Arthur produces at his sawmill. Check that out. It's good stuff. Okay. This is 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch. Okay. I got some more of that stuff over here. Okay. This is 1/4 inch. Hey, this is green. This is pine. This smells absolutely. Actually, I should be using this piece. Okay, put this piece over here on the side. Okay, so stick around, ladies and gentlemen. That's the jig. Okay, this actual piece right here, just tacked it together. Just put this over here, just tacked it together. Put another board, tacked it together, make sure that it was level. See it's level? Actually, this side can go up a little bit. But it doesn't have to be. I'm going to be taking this down. Just put this up there temporarily. Okay, stick around.